Welcome to VishnuNext. Today I'm sharing 5 powerful and 100% free AI websites you should absolutely be using in 2025, whether you're a student, a content creator, or just someone who wants to save time and work smarter. 1. ChatGPT. https chat.openai.com. Ask anything, write anything. From school assignments to business emails, ChatGPT is your virtual assistant, smarter and faster every day. 2. Notion AI, https www.notion.so.product.ai. Organize your entire life or work using Notion AI. Summarize notes, write content, or manage your tasks like a pro. 3. Canva AI, https www.canva.com. Create designs, videos, and presentations using AI-generated templates. Great for social media, YouTube thumbnails, and student projects. 4. Pictory, https://Pictory.ai. Turn long articles or scripts into short, engaging videos. Ideal for content creators, YouTubers, and marketers. 5. Grammarly AI, https www.grammarly.com. Polish your writing instantly. Grammar checks, tone suggestions, and even AI rewriters. Boost your content quality in seconds. These free tools are changing how we work and create in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VishnuNext, where future meets now.